Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to set an alarm on OPPO phones. So to do this you just need to go to the clock on your phone. You will find it in your apps. Just open it, and as you can see, the first thing that will pop up on your screen is your alarm. So to set a new alarm you need to click on the plus icon. And here you will set your alarm, set the time. For example, I want my alarm to be 7 a.m. If you want it to be once, you will have this alarm for once, or for work days. If you want for work days, you will choose your work days, and also you can use the other options, or you can use it custom. You choose the days where you want to have this alarm. For me, I will take this one as an example, ring once. You will choose the ringtone for your alarm. You'll give it the access to your music library. You can choose any alarm that you want, and if you want it from your device, choose the option on this device. If you have special song on your device that you want it to be the alarm music. If you want it to vibrate, activate the vibration, and also you can choose how many times it will ring and the interval between every time of them. After you complete, you just click on done, and as you can see, this alarm is already set. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.